There are some early signs that the usually slow summer housing season could start to heat up. And for some home builders in some parts of the country, that would certainly be a welcome development after a so-so spring. Diana Olick has that story.
Spring is usually the hottest season for the nation's home builders, but that was not the case this year. There are, however, signs of summer strength. Mortgage applications to purchase a newly built home jumped 20% annually in May, according to the Mortgage Bankers Association. That coincided with falling mortgage rates throughout the month. Rates continued to fall in June and are now at the lowest level in 2 years. These both signal strength ahead. But all real estate is local, and some areas will fare better than others. John Burns Real Estate Consulting breaks out the public builders and which are poised to do best this summer. KB Home's market conditions are best because they're concentrated in the Southwest, where the market is outperforming. NVR as well because it builds in the Northeast, which is bouncing back from weak demand a year ago. D.R. Horton's concentration in Texas and its focus on entry-level product also puts it in a good position for summer demand. Lennar's biggest footprint is also in Texas, and it's heavy in Florida and the Southeast. On the other hand, Tri Pointe and William Lyons homes are slowing permits because about a third of their exposure is in Southern California, where demand is weak and costs to build are highest. The problem for all home builders, though, continues to be high home prices. Half of the public home builders have an average sale price above $400,000. Until they can bring prices down, their recovery will continue in fits and starts. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Diana Olick in Washington.